Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to pause your Shopify store? Here's how to do it in under a minute. First of all, log into your Shopify admin. Then click settings at the bottom left. Then go to plan from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click cancel trial or pause or deactivate store if you are using pro version. Choose either pause and build. Customers can't buy, but you will still manage store for $9 per month. Or pause completely. Store is frozen, no access until you reopen. Click switch to plan and confirm. And that's it. You have paused your Shopify store like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.